my god, the train is coming. So let's let that pass by. Hey guys, in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can take things off of certain pieces that you're not going to be using anymore and using them for something else. So, these chairs that I have back here in the back, I redid them over the summer to go with the kitchen table that we redid, and I got 6 of them and I only needed 4, so I had these 2 left over. I'm not going to use them, so we're going to scrap them. There's certain things on here we're going to keep, and certain things we're just going to throw in the trash. So when I do this, I kind of look for things that are going to bring character to something else. So those are the things that I save. So with these 2 chairs, I'm going to actually do a close-up of this part so you can see what we're going to keep and what we're going to just scrap. Okay? So let's get up a little bit close and personal with these chairs. Okay, so the lighting is horrible. I have no idea why, but what we're gonna keep on these chairs are, of course, these legs. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. We're gonna keep those. And this piece in the middle here, we're gonna keep those. We can use those potentially for something else. Also, this back piece here, it can come apart, but if not, we can keep it just like that and use it on something else. But as you can see here, it has like these seams. There you go. It has these seams, and I'm pretty sure I can probably pull that apart. But if not, we can still keep the back of these chairs. So let's get started.
Two hours later.
Okay, so that was a lot, but so we're gonna do that same thing to this chair. I'm gonna keep these 2, the back. We might keep this top, not sure yet, but yeah, so let's get to it. Then again, you do want to be careful, but with these you can always give it like a vintage look, so it doesn't matter that that part popped off. Okay? But still keep it, just in case. Okay, so these are the pieces that we're going to save because we can use them for something else. And the rest is the dumpster. Sweating bullets. It's like, it was 80 degrees today, so it was pretty hot. And I'm like out of breath. I need a tall glass of water after demo day. Okay, it wasn't demo day. I'm trying to be like fixer-upper. But we demolished those chairs and we saved pieces that we needed. I'm like really, really tired. I was gonna show you guys how to dismember some dressers that you can reuse, but that's probably gonna be in another video because, yeah, no. Okay, but I do wanna show you guys some things that I do keep as well. Like I said, I always try to keep things from pieces because you never know, you might can use them in another piece. I've done it several times, especially with that bench that I just redid. I'm going to be doing that video. I'm editing that video, guys. But the bench I redid, I had 2 pieces of wood that were from the previous dresser that I did, that blue dresser with the planks on top. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it below. But we had some wood cuts left, and just so happened that one piece fit into the 2 slots that I needed. I cut it in half and I used it. So you can always reuse stuff for other projects that you have. I had this from that piece that I turned into a coffee table, not a coffee table, a coffee bar. I took it off. I didn't throw it away, I kept it. I can use it for something else. This right here, this came off of, again, that dresser, the side dresser table that I turned into a bench. We had to cut the top to make the sides, and I kept this. You never know when you can use a good thick piece of wood. So you always, my camera got cut off, but I'm back. Okay, so what I was saying, you always want to keep things from other pieces because you never know when you can use them again. Like these legs, I have 4 of these. They came from off of a table that went with those chairs that I did for our dining room table. So, I mean, keep your stuff. Keep your stuff. And I can reuse this for something else. This literally looks like on The Walking Dead, Negan, when he goes around and he has that, that thing he bashes the zombies' heads with. Yeah. Okay, definitely off topic. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing more of these for pieces that I get that we're not going to use. Scrap them, keep stuff, scrap them, keep stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.